Okay, so inside the box, you're gonna find the drone. There is one instruction manual. Let's see, what do we have inside? Okay, that's a DJI phone. How to install a memory card. What's that? It's just the safety guidelines, I guess so. And that's a quick start guide, and that's a EASA class C0 with camera. That's a drone information notice. So we're gonna like check that out later on. So there is one additional accessories over here. Okay, let's go one by one. It's a C cable. You can find a screwdriver, an extra pair of accessory over here in case it get damaged. So you can like replace all these things on your own. I guess we're gonna like find all this information in these notice. So let's open up this. Let's sideline these items. So let's get started. Let's see, what do we have over here? It's kind of my first experience opening the DJI Drone NEO. Wow, it looks great. Okay, let's charge to activate the battery before using for the full time. So we're gonna like open this up later on. As you can see on the top, there are like different modes how we can like operate this, and an on and off button. I guess this looks like a cute shutter camera. Let's open that up. It's pretty hard to go. Okay, there you go. Looks nice. So you might can use this, or you can like case. A pretty small one, right?